slow cooker chicken Jalfrezi. I've done a chicken Jalfrezi instead in the slow cooker. Let's make it. You start off by heating about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a nice hot pan. Add in your onions, finely chopped onion. Just fry them for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add in garlic and ginger paste. Cook that for about 30 seconds. I'm not using a base gravy today, so I need extra onions. So I've blended 1 onion. Get that in. Another 30 seconds. In with your tomato puree. Stir that in. Now in with the spices. You've got chili powder, as much or as little as you want. Got some turmeric, in with that. Some Tandoori Masala, some Garam Masala, some Methi Leaves, and some curry powder. I've got Hot Madras. You use cold Madras, or whatever Madras you want. Give that a good stir. Then add in the carrot and coriander soup. This is why we put extra onions in, because we're using carrot and coriander soup instead of a base gravy. Give that a stir. Let that cook for about 2 minutes. Add in your chopped coriander. Give that a stir. And then turn off the heat. Just empty all that into your slow cooker. Now that's all in. Add in your chicken. Give it a good stir. As you're stirring, add in some water. Now give that a real good stir. Now pop the lid on, let that cook for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, that looks and smells delicious. So in a bowl, chop up an onion into quarters like that, a red pepper, little pieces, and a green pepper. To that, we're going to sprinkle on some methi, dried fenugreek, and then we're going to add a little bit of salt, or pepper, and a bit of salt. Then we're just going to give that a good toss. Little squirt of oil, and another toss. Now your pan's red hot, screaming hot. Now we're going to put these in, and we're going to give these a light charring. I learnt this off my good friend, Mr. Ricardo, one of the curry kings. Get this in and get it cooking. Just keep moving around until it's all nice and charred. You see how charred they are now? So they're all nicely charred. Let's have a look at this. Oh. Now add these in. Give it a stir. Oh, look at that. Sprinkling of coriander. Look at that. I think that's ready to plate. Oh, unctuous. And there it is.